Happy New Year! Panahon para sa mga New Year's resolution. Pero siguro mas maganda yung una, ang resolution natin, medyo achievable. Kasi naman minsan ang mga New Year's resolution, mga suntok sa buwan. Every year, ang aking New Year's resolution ay uminom ng mas maraming tubig. Hindi rin nangyayari yon. Siguro dapat meron tayong short-term goals at meron tayong long-term goals. Nagkaroon ako ng realization na life is just too short. Marami tayong mga kaibigan, kakilala na who passed away. You know that you always save things thinking you're going to use it on a special occasion. Don't wait for a special occasion. Suotin mo na yung maganda mong sapatos, suotin mo na yung maganda mong damit. You make every day a special occasion. Siguro yun yung magandang pananaw or perspective for the new year. Dun sa mga nag-iisip na mag-enroll sa gym, ang fearless forecast ko ay 1 buwan lang. Hindi na kayo pupunta sa gym. Kaya mas magandang i-save nyo na lang ang membership. Maglakad na lang kayo sa, meron namang car-free Ayala. Doon na lang kayo maglakad, walang bayad. Minsan, ang problema sa tao gusto natin pumayat kasi mataba tayo. Pero pag pumayat na tayo, miserable naman tayo. Or gusto mo namang yung buhok mo straight kasi kulot ka. O yung straight gusto maging kulot. Walang kasiyahan. Accept what you have. Embrace what you have. And be happy. Because that is the essence of a new year. Be grateful for what you have. Kasi minsan, again, a realization. You want to be popular. And then when you become popular, because you envy that person that's popular, you don't realize that a popular person is actually miserable. Yung mayaman, na sobrang yaman, na gusto mo maging kasing yaman nila, only to realize na hindi naman pala sila masaya. Yung pinanood ko na play, which is Into the Woods, if you look at the story, they all got their wishes. It was all about a fairy tale. Cinderella, Little Red Riding Hood, Rapunzel. Yung end nung story, nung Into the Woods, they all got their wishes. Only to realize that's not really what they wanted. So minsan, kung nakuha na natin yung gusto natin, hindi naman pala yun yung magpapaligaya sa atin. So, again, new year, new hope, new life for everyone. Sana maging hopeful tayo sa bagong taon na things will be better, hopefully, because it's 2026. Sana magkaroon ng pagbabagong maganda na hinahanap natin, hindi lang para sa ating bansa, kung hindi rin para sa ating sarili. Dahil hindi pwedeng magbago ang bansa kung hindi nagbabago ang mamamayan. So again, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat.